Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Adam Johnson here, and I have a few updates for you guys on what will be happening next week. Alrighty, so from Monday to Thursday, I'm going to be going on vacation, alright? And I'm going to Branson, Missouri. Yes, I am going to be vlogging in there. It's going to be daily vlogs, though. Like, there's going to be a vlog on Monday, vlog on Tuesday, vlog on Wednesday, and then a vlog on Thursday. That's kind of optional to me, though, because on Thursday we're just going to pack up and drive home, and that's my choice if I want to vlog or not. But comment if you want me to vlog on Thursday, just to see if you want me to vlog on Thursday or not. Alrighty, so there's something coming up on next Saturday, not this coming Saturday, but the next one after that, the 19th. I am going to have a crossover. Alright? And this crossover is a challenge video, the Cinnamon Challenge. I've never done the Cinnamon Challenge in my life. I had thoughts about doing it and doing it in my own channel, but instead I'm going to do it in another guy's channel as a crossover. And guess who I'm doing it with? Lenikai, Requel, Kamika. Yay! Hey! I'm so excited. Yes, I'm so excited because I've wanted to do the crossover in like a pretty long time, and I'm just glad it happens. I'm just glad it's gonna happen. All right. Yes, I am very excited. I'll keep you guys updated on that, and yes, I'm very excited. I'll leave the link to the video once the video is released. Alright, so that's all my updates for next week. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'll just grab a popcorn bag and I'll just watch Lenikai Requel Kamika's new Chubby Bunny Challenge video, aka the biggest video he's had so far. Alright, bye everyone.